Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I really want to take us through how to take down knotless braids without having too much breakage. Now there's a trick to this and I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So we're just going to do this step by step. First things first, I've had these braids for over a month. It could have been like around 6 weeks and they have stood their time, yeah, and I'm finally ready to actually get rid of them. Am I the only one who has pain? I'm really tender-headed, so by the time I'm taking out my braids I can actually feel my head is already paining. So what we're going to start with is we're going to section our hair into 3 workable parts, and I'm just going to use these 2 hair clip-ons to just hold the rest of the hair, then leave one section that I'll actually be working with to open up or to unbraid. So what I'll start with is estimate the height of my hair currently, and I can't really see my hair through the braid. However, I can estimate the height of my hair, and then that's what I'll use to cut off with a scissor. So you can actually unbraid with your fingers. If you have longer fingernails, it's easier. But if you do not have that, then you can just use a rat tail comb, or you can use a toothpick or anything with a sharp edge. That can actually work. So one of the things that you should not do is to just pull your hair like this, because then it means that your hair is just actually going to get even more tangled because it has been in the braid for a long time. So make sure that you open it properly, yeah? Use something to help you go through the braid, but don't just pull at it. So this is my hair, yeah? Now I can just pull out and voila. So what causes a lot of breakage is when we try to just comb through this, yeah? But how you can actually detangle it without breaking your hair is sometimes you can just fluff it up a little bit from here, because usually there's a lot of oils that we put in our hair when we have braids, and then this tends to all collect right here where there is a knot. So it collects right there and it forms, you know, a weird cakey thing, as you can see right there. So what you can do is detangle it with your fingers, yeah? And if it's too much for you to detangle with your fingers, sometimes you can just use like maybe a shampoo or a conditioner. Just spray a little bit on there so that it can soften up. Then you can detangle your hair properly. Part of the reason why our hair is actually always breaking when we are taking it down is because, you know, we are in a hurry. Like, you don't have time to work through your entire head like in a short period of time, and that panic just gets you to kind of make some wrong decisions, yeah? So if you give your hair a little bit of time, a little bit of love, trust me, it's going to work out and you're not going to have too much breakage. So I used to be so obsessed with the curls that just come through like when you're unbraiding your hair. Well, but they only last, like, they're so temporary. As soon as you detangle your hair, it's like poop, curls gone. When I was younger, my mom actually used to do this for me, and I would have a difficult time, like if I had to go to the salon or anything to get someone else to unbraid my hair, because I was so worried, like, how was I even going to go through this process, you know? Because you know how salons, they just rush through everything, they want to get to the next customer. So careless if your hair broke. Yeah, so if you're valuing every strand of hair, I think you might have to rethink going to the salon. So now let's just comb the hair in smaller sections. Just going to cut this into 2. Then you see, start from the root down. As you can see now, already the comb is so much easier to get through. And trust me, this would have been harder, yeah, if I had not already like finger detangled. So it's that quick and easy, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you would also like to see some videos on how to get rid of dandruff and fleckiness, then you should watch the video I put for you in the description box. Until next time, make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.